Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we will explore SoundHound AI in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 22nd of July, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 30th of June, 2025, our system has ranked SoundHound AI as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.23. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 5.68%. This translates to an average return of 0.36% per day since being designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are expected. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 20.44% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 6.42% to 40.52%. In terms of the longer outlook, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of around 29.88%. Based on our assessments, the stock's performance could vary anywhere from 3.14% to 218.73% over the next year. Currently, this would suggest that the future price may fall between $11.70 and $36.14. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline, SoundHound AI Inc. stock upgraded from hold, accumulate, to buy candidate after Tuesday trading session. The SoundHound AI Inc. stock price fell by 3.08% on the last day, Tuesday, the 22nd of July, 2025, from $11.70 to $11.34. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 6.35%. With a day low at $11.10 and a day high of $11.80, the price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 10.78% for this period. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a promising sign, as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume declined by 35 million shares, with a total of 29 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $327.65 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $24.98 and the lowest price was $3.94. Currently, the price is 54.60% or $13.64 below the 52-week high of $24.98, which is also the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI, Incorporated, trading under the ticker SOUN, is set to report its second quarter financial results on the 7th of August, 2025, with a conference call scheduled for later that day. This upcoming earnings release is crucial, presenting an opportunity for the company to address its notable decline earlier this year, where it experienced a significant drop of approximately 35% compared to its soaring growth in 2024. Recently, SOUN saw a sharp decline of 8.67% as the stock closed at $11.70 amid market gains, signaling investor concern that could continue impacting short-term sentiment. There is heightened market interest in SoundHound, which is being compared to Twilio, another major player in voice technology. Investor attention towards both companies suggests competitive pressures that could affect SOUN's market position and future valuations. Despite a rocky start to 2025, analysts predict that SoundHound may be poised for a comeback in the latter half of the year, considering its proprietary voice artificial intelligence technology and expanding market applications. The anticipated earnings report could act as a catalyst for the stock, influencing both short-term volatility and longer-term growth trajectories, depending on the results and future guidance provided. Overall, the upcoming earnings announcement and how effectively the company addresses its recent struggles will play a pivotal role in determining SOUN's market momentum in the weeks and months ahead. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned SOUN a neutral grade with a downgrade action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright provided SOUN with an underperform grade and a hold action. On the same day, H.C. Wainwright also rated SOUN with a buy grade and a hold action. Additionally, on that day, Wedbush assigned SOUN a buy grade along with a hold action. Earlier, on Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, Wedbush rated SOUN with an outperform grade and a hold action. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. The SoundHound AI Incorporated stock currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is also a buy signal from the long-term average. With the short-term average positioned above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. If the stock continues to rise, it may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $11.86. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the long-term average, around $10.62. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 9, 2025, and the stock has since decreased by 12.09%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger shows a buy signal from 14 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 15 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 19 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also indicates a buy signal from 15 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $11.12. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is regarded as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.75 between its high and low, representing a change of 6.35%. Throughout the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 8.59%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors. However, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest ongoing profitability issues and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -6 cents. It's essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $11.70. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI faces its first support level at $11.12. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 24th of June, 2025, Sroka Diana conducted an insider sale of 2,800 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of June, 2025, Mahajer Kavon conducted an insider purchase of 240,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of June, 2025, Mahajer Kavon also conducted an insider sale of 122,712 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Mahajer Kavon conducted another insider sale of 131,664 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of June, 2025, Imami Majid conducted an insider purchase of 80,000 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 23.220. Overall, insiders purchased 4,791,868 shares and sold 6,912,481 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $10.67, reflecting a decrease of 5.88%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a high level of risk. Currently, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 9 days ago. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that this may be an ideal time to consider purchasing shares, as there is a fair likelihood for SoundHound AI Incorporated to perform well in the near future. We have revised our analysis for this stock from a hold to a buy recommendation since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current valuation is below its true worth. For trading on Wednesday, the 23rd of July, we anticipate that SoundHound AI will open higher by approximately 7 cents, starting at an estimated price of $11.41. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.